This is the parts and functions of this is the battery to provide electrical energy needed to start the engine. The engine to generate power. This is the radiator to cool an internal combustion engine by acting a heat exchanger. This is the water tank. This is the clutch master. This is the brake master. This is the side mirror for helping drivers see areas behind and to the side of the vehicle outside. This is the wiper to clear obstruction of windshield. This is the steering wheel to control the vehicle direction by turning the front wheels. Next is this is the handbrake to keep a car stationary when parked. Then this is the seat belt. Then this is the seat of driver. This is the clutch. Disconnects the engine from transmission for gear changes and stopping. Then the accelerator to control the vehicle's speed by regulating the engine's power output. Then signal light, high and low. This is the roof, protect the driver like rainy day, sunny day, and safety. Next is this is the window. This is the windshield to protect the dust and dirt or rocks or rain.